Michigan goes after MyBookie. Hawaii introduces multiple gambling bills. Listen to the regulatory news from January 2025. The Michigan Gaming Control Board has taken action against another offshore bookmaker, MyBookie.ag. In January, the company was served a cease and desist letter with 14 days deadline to cease operations in Michigan. This marks the latest in a series of similar actions against offshore gambling companies in the US. Hawaii has introduced several bills aimed at legalizing various forms of gambling. Historically a holdout, the Aloha state is now considering sports betting, lottery, and casino gaming during the new legislative session. Senator Joseph Adabo has introduced a new bill to regulate online casinos in New York. The state has long explored the possibility of legalizing iGaming. Senator Abado has been one of its strongest advocates. However, companies that have previously targeted New York residents with illegal gambling will not be eligible for licensing. The National Institute for Health and Care Excellence (NICE) has issued new recommendations for general practitioners. The body urged them to ask patients about their gambling habits for the first time. NICE suggests that these questions should be included in routine checkups alongside routine questions about smoking and drinking. The UK Gambling Commission has called on suppliers to ensure their products are not used by unauthorized operators targeting British players without a license. This mirrors a similar initiative by the Swedish Gambling Authority. The Swedish watchdog also requires suppliers to ensure their products are not used by unlicensed operators in Sweden. New South Wales is intensifying its efforts to reduce citizens' exposure to gambling advertisements and gambling itself. A significant move in this direction is the suspension of gambling advertisements on all public transport, aiming to reduce the visibility of physical gambling promotions across the state. If you're interested in more regulatory news every month, follow our page.